has long troubled me that our judicial system has utterly inadequate terms for the person to whom the crime is done. We use the word complainant, but this sounds like a kvetch griping about a trivial grievance. We use the word victim, but this sounds like someone with no agency, who merely passively endures whatever is inflicted on them and lacks the gumption to do anything about it. Using these terms is demeaning. No crime ever feels trivial to the person affected by it. The crimes dealt with in this court are all very far from trivial. Cases like this one are as serious as it gets. Moreover, anyone who supports a prosecution that is brought to trial is far from passive. It is a lengthy and demanding process that requires courage, persistence, and willpower. Far from lacking agency, such people have gumption by the truckload. Rape cases are perhaps the most striking examples of this. The people, usually women but not always, who suffer a rape, which then results in a trial, go through a very great deal to help our judicial system. Every single one of them should be thanked and admired unstintingly by every single one of us. Much has been said in the last several years about how uncomfortable our processes are for people who have endured rape, having to tell their story over and over again to the police, to the CPS, and ultimately to the jury. I'm well aware that in fact there are nowadays scores of carefully trained and sensitive professionals in the police, in the CPS, in witness support and in several other bodies who go to great lengths to care for and help the people affected. I wish that the excellent work they do were better publicised. Nevertheless, it is an undeniably uncomfortable process. The people who put themselves through it are, in my view, heroic. For me, the only word for them is not complainant or victim, nor even, as is sometimes now termed them, survivor. The only word that fits is hero. That is how I choose to think of the woman at the heart of this case. It has long troubled